salty and sweet. And
The taste from childhood.
I think that looks like a mouth of a singer, of Mick Jagger.
Why it's so black?
It's because the ash helps you digest everything, so people do use it in their food. This is something between a soup and a porridge, and these are local central mushrooms. Kukeseen. Kukk is like a rooster. I'm not going to tell you what the dessert is. I'll give you masks and you read it.
Are you walking blind as well? I see the coast. I see the sea. Berries. Those are the berries. Orange berries. Very refreshing and energy giving. So in the morning you just pour in a glass something like this with the juice, then hot water and honey. It's a very good combination. You know, it's always connected with your roots because we know those tastes since childhood. We have a very good air to breathe here. We have sea, we have grass, we have berries. You are able to experiment more like our wonderful cook is doing today. It was such a privilege.
such a surprise, actually.